stop you crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to the final show. I hope you're wearing your best clothes. You can bribe the door on the way to the sky. You look pretty good down here, but you ain't really good. We never learned we've been here before. Why are we always stuck and running from the bullets? The bullets.